Alright, now we've got quite an update to do today. It's, well, we started the snapshots here on the 4th of June, Tuesday, but it's now Wednesday morning. So let's go through these here. We've got 3 charts up, the Canadian, Australian, New Zealand. We've got yellow triggers set on all of them, as a matter of fact, so we're waiting for these to retrace back up to yellow before we take sell trades, and for this one to come back down to yellow for a potential buy trade. So let's whip through these. Again, each one of these represents 5 minutes in time, and there's one that we took manually. We put a quick manual trade in here on the New Zealand as it's coming up to yellow. A smaller one, in fact there it is right there, just a half a lot trade, just a small one. As it was coming up to yellow here, we decided to take that, well, just to take a trade and get in actually. And then, as we can see, it went into profit a little bit. Then, boom, it came right up and hit yellow, so the yellow target was actually hit. And there's our trade right there, a much bigger one, a 2-lot trade that we were put into. All right, so let's just zoom along here and see how things chug along. So it kept going back up. So as soon as it hit the blue line, we took another trade, a little bit of a smaller trade here. And now we're looking at the daily chart. And you can see the daily chart is retracing back up. Typically, it'll retrace to green here, and that's why we took another sell trade. So we've got 3 sell trades on the New Zealand, and it's probably even going to go up to the white line here, which it does. So we took another trade as it came up to the white line now. And in fact, over here, I think we can see as well on the Australian, bang, it triggered the yellow trigger right there on the Australian as well. In each case, they're putting in the take profits and the stop losses, which are just above the screen here. So we can zoom out a little bit and see what's going on. So we've gone to the Australian here. We can see our sell trades right here as it hits yellow with our stop losses and take profits. And the same thing over here with the New Zealand. We've got quite a few trades in over here now. So 5 trades chugging away. So we just zoom back in again here so we can get a better look at what's going on. I'm just going to whip through and what's happened there? Let's we take lots of snapshots as we go along. I keep zooming in and zooming out so we can actually see what's happening. And this is the New Zealand 1 hour. You can see where we're positioned now. So the blue line's crossed the white line here. It's dropped down. We got in at green, yellow, blue, and white, as a matter of fact. That's why we've got so many of them. And again, there's the daily chart right here. So the daily chart now is almost retraced back to the green line, so to speak, here. But that is definitely a downward trend. The red has just crossed the white, which means it's now beginning to become quite a serious downward trend. The Canadian, what's happening over here? We've put in a Fibonacci. So from the low, the low, the low to the higher, the higher, the high, the retracement came right back down to 38.2 on the nose. This is the daily chart we're looking at here, just to show you how the Fibonacci works. Okay, so we're back over here again to the 1 hour charts. And again, let's just zip through. You can see there's some movement occurring and some trades already closing out. I think this trade here, that trade, we moved the take profit down a little bit more because it's definitely going the right way, and we've got some decent profitable trades coming up here. You can see we were in profit here and we're in profit here, and in fact one of those closed out, didn't it? Or we might have closed one out, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think we closed this trade out here, so 344 or whatever it is. And this continues now on the continuation of the trend, and boom, there you go, that one closed out. So we took a profit on that one. And anyway, let's just zip through here. There's lots going on. We're in and out of trades all over the place, and you can see the numbers changing like crazy. And we're just down to 2 trades now, so and there we go, as a matter of fact. So at the end of the day, we've zoomed in here now on the charts, and you can see that we've ended up with what is it, the 4th here. So on the closed trades, now we've still got a couple of open trades, obviously, on the British pound and the euro, all the Swiss trades, and I think we've got one on the Swiss trade here. But the trades we did close out on, we got 969, 368, 387, 930, 246, 413. 232, 243, 79, 116, 375, 264, 17, 249, and 1550. And these are all the SAT trades that are automatically closed out. including these ones, these colored lines here. So virtually, you know, that's a manual trade we closed out on, and there's a manual trade we closed out on right at the end of the day. Quick sneaky $15 there, but that's not too bad, all those trades. And we've still got some open trades. We'll bring you up to speed on them tomorrow. So good day trading.